Flagstaff Chevrolet. No pressure, no hype, just real hometown value. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with navigation, HomeLink, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, wood door panel insert, weather band radio, parking sensors, wood console insert, rear view camera, bi-xenon HID headlamps, heated rear seats, and much more. We will not be undersold by any Chevy dealer in the state on the same make, model, equipment, options, and year. Flagstaff Chevrolet in Flagstaff.